Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your photos, like your product photos on CapCut browser like easily. So just go to templates here and select image, and here you can choose from a wide variety of selection. You'll have like some business stuff, some ads and stuff like that. For instance, like this one, and I'm just going to, for instance, select this. Select the image and then use this template, and then once it's opened you can just edit and like replace some photos, which I think is super cool. Like this, I'm just going to skip it. Like here, to replace the materials, you're just going to select the picture, select replace, and then select from computer and select the picture you want to use. I'm just going to select this, and I'm just going to, for instance, use this one. And I'm just going to wait for it to upload a little bit. The text is in another color, so if you just go to text, I think it's where you can change it, or design. Oh yeah, you can change the stuff in design. You have you all as well. I think this one, or probably like this one. I think you can change the color here. Oh, here I think. Yeah, you can change like the color here as well, and the font here, and like the sizing as well. And then you can just like edit it here. Tailor, dress, I don't know. And here you can just edit it. You can also like move the lines around as well, and I think change the colors of the lines. I'm not quite sure, but you have like a lot you can like explore here. You have like shapes, stuff like that. I think this is a really cool new feature. But yeah, that is basically it. They have like other stickers as well, which is new. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.